Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California here. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing something a little special. Going to be pouring on this little wooden, I guess you would call it a frame. And it has this little wooden peg that you put in the back. And it'll stand up. Isn't that adorable? And I got this in Michael's. I went to curbside today and I picked that up for like 89 cents. So figured you can't go wrong with that. To give a little test on this, if I can. So today I'll be using Art Minds Sugar Plum, and I'll be using Liquitex Basic Light Blue Permanent. I have that right here, already mixed. And next color I have is, where did that go? Okay, Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue U. So let's take a little drop of paint from each. Okay, well, let's see how that runs. These two look pretty good. I'm going to think I just need a little drop of water in that blue. And that should make it good to go. And I'm going to pour this down. Have to get all those bubbles out. Got all my sides. And this is going to be for one of my granddaughters who likes blue. And here's my little cup. Here we go. I'm going to start by layering a little bit in my cup. And I'm going to start with the Cobalt Blue U. Go on to the light blue. And And on to my Sugar Plum by Art Minds. Put some of that cloud paint all along the top. Let's see how that works out. And whoops. Okay, well, I guess we started there. So let's see what happens if we do this. A little traveling ring. That is kind of gorgeous in itself, just the way it is. It actually looks like some kind of ocean wave. Looks like the wave is splashing up. Yeah, it looks really neat. Wow. Hi, and welcome back. About 30 minutes have passed and I didn't see any big changes here. I have a feeling that my my white cloud paint is kind of watered down, maybe a little bit too much. I didn't get much of a reaction here. But reaction or not, this is absolutely beautiful. It looks like the ocean to me. We'll come in for a close-up. Right after this, I'll give you a close-up view. This is absolutely gorgeous looking. I love every single part of this. When you come in for the close-up, you'll see. I even got the wave. I got some splashes in there. So I'm really happy with the outcome of this. And I like the Art Minds. I'm going to see how it dries. I think it's going to dry beautifully. It says it's a soft gloss acrylic paint. So I may get a nice little glossy finish on this too. So I think my granddaughter's going to love it. Okay, just doing this one the opposite way. I'm going to put the cloud paint down, the milk paint first. There's my background. Baby down, and I'm going to give that a torch, but I feel like I did get a little wave over here. I got some wave action, definitely in here and around there. Dry my hands up. Let's give this a torch. I am definitely liking this. Okay, I'm gonna close it up, come back in a half hour, and we'll see what we got. Looking good. Okay, a good half hour has passed, and no, I don't see any development here, but I'll have to check back when I actually show this. That's when I'll be able to see the difference. Sometimes I don't notice it, but when I go back, I do see it. I do notice a difference from putting the milk paint down and from putting the cloud paint down first. So I'm going to show it side by side. Side by side. This one on the left has the milk paint down as the base coat, and on the right it has the cloud paint down as the base coat. I did the same kind of pours on both of them, and that's the difference. Use the same exact paints. Yeah, I think they're both beautiful, actually. I love both of them. So, yeah. Thank you for coming. I'll probably gonna break this down a little bit, because otherwise this would be quite long. But I will give you the side by side in the end. Give me a thumbs up. It's Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.